Okay, so good evening, everyone. Ojasvi, please start your
Yes, sir.
presentation.
Okay, sir. Sir, today's presentation is about our progress on the major project, which is Document Processor app. And Shivam, sir, this is our introduction. Shivam, please move to the next slide. And sir, basically, our project is about converting the raw images and text files into PDF format, and also as well as the handwritten documents can also be converted into PDF formats so that the user can handle those documents easily. It also will help the particular user to organize their data in a sequence manner so that they can use it whenever it is required. And sir, there are various functions which we have provided in our project. Those functions are that the images can be converted into PDFs and vice versa. The handwritten documents can also be converted into PDF formats and others. On the next slide, sir, these are the objectives of our project. Hello.
Yes, Ojasvi,
And
continue.
okay, sir. And sir, the problem statement of our project is that we have to design an application which will convert the documents into digital documents so that it would be easy for the user to handle them, and it would also be beneficial as the user can handle those documents wherever they go, means they do not require to handle them physically. It will be saved in the device so the user can use them whenever it is required, and we will provide the utility solution for such a problem. And sir, on this slide there are two diagrams. One is the use case and other one is the activity diagram. The use case diagram is represented so that we can explain how a user can uh, interact with the system. On the left hand side, we have provided a single user because we do not have any server side of our application. And on the right hand side, the we have the functions like displaying the files, creating the new files, changing the existing files, and sharing the files. These are the functions which can be used by the user so that she can solve her particular problem. And sir, the next diagram is the activity diagram, which shows that how different activities are represented or done in our application. In this module, we have provided two options for the user. The one option which is provided is that the user can input a new raw image. Means if we do not have a previous PDF which is to be edited, then the user can input a new image along with the name of the file. Those images and those images will be passed through the processing module so that it can be converted into resultant PDF. In case the user wants to edit a existing PDF, so the user can also input that previous PDF into the editing module, and major requirements will be fulfilled so that the previous PDF can be edited and build a new resultant PDF. And
So this is what you have done after your first presentation in your
hello, sir.
what you have done after your first presentation in your project.
Okay, sir. Sir, in the first presentation, we were just deciding what operations we can, what functions we can include in our project. But
Mhm.
after that, so in the first presentation, we were not knowing how to do those functions.
Hmm.
And but after that, means we tried to explore and learn how these technologies will be used in our project. Like we are using an iText PDF API,
Hmm.
requirements can be fulfilled by that particular API. And sir, as you know that our application will be an Android application. So currently we are learning that how our application can be converted into Android platform.
You people just complete any module, any phase. You have some implementation code with you.
Uh, sir, currently we don't have any code.
Then what
Means
you just decide what you have to, what you have to do. Not implement anything. Siom, any implementation part?
So actually, the first part of our project was to develop the SDD documents, the software requirement documents. So this, the diagrams which you are seeing now, use case diagram and activity diagram, these are
Hmm.
the implementation of that document itself. And now the further step will be about the coding. We will start the coding in next phase of our project. So this was the roadmap how we will proceed and use case diagram. These are all the models on which our app will be developed. So
Means you just make the SDD document after your first presentation.
sir, we made SDD document. We conducted a survey regarding what is the need of that API
Hmm.
of that such application in the market or not. What are the main features which is not involved in the current apps which are available.
I think this is the part of your first presentation before deciding your project title.
So subject the second was about the implementation, about how you what are the implementations and how you have reached here. So in the next upcoming slides, there is a survey how we conducted it, how we gathered the resources about it, and next will be the coding.
Is there any coding part?
Sir, currently there is no coding part right now.
Okay, then continue.
next slide. And sir, these are few modules which we will use in our project so that we can fulfill the requirements. The first one is uh, new file creating module. That means this module will be used by the user so that a new PDF file can be created. iText PDF API. The second module will be file records. This module will be an option that will help the user to view various PDF files which are previously generated so that the user can means decide whether these PDF files are done or the user has to edit more. The next one is file editing already generated.
Sir, I
And
think there is connection issue.
hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Ajasvi, continue.
Continue.
Okay, sir. And sir, these are the screenshot of our survey which we had conducted asking. Sir, it was a Google form which we had passed to our fellow classmates so that we can learn the which has to be fulfilled, or means what are the requirements which people need right now to get fulfilled. And sir, these are the screenshots of those results.
What is the attributes of your Google form? Can you show? What is the attributes of your survey form? What type of
Attributes. Yes, Shivam, do you
Sir,
have that
there
Google
were
form?
sir, there were three questions on that in that. Yes, sir.
Continue.
Sir, there were three questions in that Google form, and all those answers are given here. The first was which PDF creating app you use frequently. So there were three options,
Hmm.
and last and three options, which is the users who gave their answers. They are in percentage form. The second question was, do you think there is a need of PDF creating app in currently India, because there are already many apps present, but still they answered yes. They feel some need of new apps in market. And the next was what features they would like to be included in the new app. So they made reduction of file size, image processing, and user friendly. So all basically got equal votes on which they want to be preferred. The
Can
main
you
thing.
can you
Yes,
show your Excel sheet of your Google form? Survey
sir.
form.
Yes, sir.
Excel sheet.
वीक स्टूडेंट का वही तो मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था क्या किया जाए उनको वीक स्टूडेंट अगर आप मानते हो
राहुल सर म्यूट कर दीजिएगा,
क्या होगा
आवाज आ रही है आपकी तरफ से।
So these were the responses. These were the names of who responded to them. And these were last section about what they need further, which we couldn't include. So these were the remarks which we got.
हाँ जो बच्चा नहीं दिया ना
Okay.
मार्क
Is there any workflow PPT? Means till now what you have done and what will you do in future
So the next,
with deadlines?
yes, so the next upcoming part is about coding of our modules, because all the documentation part of our project have been completed, and next we will proceed to coding, which will be completed in by the first or second week of January.
Means before the third presentation, you people saw your app demo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just go through your remaining slides. Fast.
So the yes, sir. And sir, the last was references which we used, and the slide is over, sir.
And Spencer, this is from my side.
Okay, thank you, Rahul sir. So, Shivam, what were the suggestion last time?
So the last time there was suggestion that you should conduct a because how you got the idea that you should create what you surveyed. So you said that there should be a proper Google form how you conducted survey. So we did that, and there was also implementation about the documentation. So which we have completed now. Documentation we have submitted already. Next we will and the presentation is going on, sir, now.
What are your roles, Shivam? Aman Shivam. What you have done? Aman Singh,
Aman?
Yes, sir.
what is your role?
Sir, my role is creating the Android application.
Means coding part.
Yes, sir. No, sir, coding part is done by the Shivam, and Ojasvi, I have done the Android part, sir.
What is in Android part?
Sir, to implement the application, sir, using Android Studio.
Okay.
And what technology Ojasvi and Sim use?
So in programming, I think they're using the Java language.
Ojasvi, what will you use? And for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in coding, what technology will you use?
Okay. Sir, for coding, we are using Java programming language, and we will implement the iText PDF API.
What is ITX PDF API? What is the functionality of that API?
Sir, iText PDF API is a library which is provided by the Java, and this PDF API consists of various methods that helps to create new PDF files or manipulate the existing PDF files, as well as the user can also edit the PDF files by using the iText PDF API.
तो सब कुछ API से हो जाएगा तो आप लोगों का क्या रोल है?
Sir, our main role is to because we have used Cam Scanner app frequently. So the main problem with that app was when we used to convert images into PDF. So for example, our image is of size 5 MB. Then the PDF file also would be of 5 MB. But in actual, if we talk about PDF files, they are generally of low size. So in this project, we will be also reducing the size of that file so that more files can be stored.
शिवम देखो मेरा सजेशन इसमें ये है कि iText जो भी API है मेन जो
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट की मेन कोर फंक्शनैलिटी है जहाँ तक मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ उसी से कंप्लीट हो जाएगी आप उसका मेरे ख्याल से फ्रंट एंड बनाएंगे
हाँ सर।
जहाँ तक मैं समझ पाया हूँ लेकिन एज ए लर्निंग पर्पस आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि iText जो भी API है उसमें जो कन्वर्जन है जो भी आप फॉर्मेटिंग PDF की है इनका लॉजिक क्या है ये कैसे हुआ है कैसे नहीं हुआ ये मतलब कि कोड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आपको उस API का भी थोड़ा बहुत पता होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से
Yes, sir. तो उसका the image which we will provide वो जो जाएंगे उसको कम हम अपने साइज वो रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा उसको वो जो हम इमेज देंगे उसका साइज रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा तभी वो जाएगा और एंड्रॉयड भी हमें डेवलप करना है तो वो एक अलग मॉड्यूल हो गया पूरा एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करना
ठीक है ओके सर
Okay. Rahul sir, any more question?
नो सर नो
Okay. Thank you, Rahul sir. So please incorporate all the suggestions from the team, committee members. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have
Okay,
any
sir.
query?
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you.